Welcome students, myself Sajitra, lecturer of Emmanuel Arasa College of Pharmacy. Today's topic is sunscreen and their classification. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is also known as sunblock or suntan lotion. It will absorb or reflect the sun's ultraviolet radiation and protect the skin against the sun's UV radiation. Ideal properties of sunscreen. The sunscreen should absorb or scatter the sun's ultraviolet radiation and it should be resistant to water. It should be odorless. If it has a mild odor, it should be accepted by the user. It should be non-toxic and it should be non-irritant. It should not be rapidly absorbed. It should be rapidly soluble in suitable vehicles. Classification of sunscreen. The sunscreen was classified into two types, that is, physical sunscreen and chemical sunscreen. The classification was done according to their mode of action. Physical sunscreen. The mode of action of physical sunscreen is it will reflect or scatter the UV radiation. This process was done due to the large particle size of the compounds. Example for physical sunscreen: titanium dioxide, talc, kaolin, zinc oxide, ferric chloride are some of the examples of physical sunscreen. Chemical sunscreen. The mode of action of chemical sunscreen is it will absorb the UV radiation and protect the skin from the sun's UV radiation. Sunscreen agents. The agents which are involved in the formulation of sunscreen is also known as sunscreen agents. Example for sunscreen agents are para-amino benzoic acid and para-amino benzoic acid ester and benzophenones, etc. These are used to control the penetration of ultraviolet radiation into the skin and it preventing the photosensitivity reactions. Sun protection factor. The quality of sunscreen was decided by the sun protection factor. The term sun protection factor was adopted by the FDA to describe the effectiveness of sunscreen. SPF is a measure of how much solar energy is required to produce sunburn on protected skin. As the SPF value increases, sunburn protection also increases. Broad spectrum sunscreen gel can protect your skin from sunburn, suntan, photoaging, skin inflammation and skin cancer, etc. Every sunscreen should have a number written as sunscreen factor, that is, it should be in the form of SPF 15 or SPF 20 or SPF 30 or SPF 50. If the sunscreen has a number SPF 50, it should be has a high effective on sun's ultraviolet radiation. Thank you.